Hello friends, today we are just going to discuss about the topic. It's a cover letter, and last time I just met this topic also, but it was in Hindi. So many person they called me and they commented on me that is for the English also. So that's why I made it here in English. So we are just going to know about that exactly what is the cover letter, where do we use it, and how do we just make it, and where it is needed. So first of all, we are just going to know about that exactly what is cover letter. So I'm just gonna to let you know about that what is cover letter. So please stay here, that is because it's each topic, each line, it's very important to understand. So please don't skip this video and just keep it in touch. Okay, so guys, first of all that we know about that exactly what is the cover letter. Guys, the cover letter, it's just a brief introduction of the candidate who is going for the job interview. Yes, it is used at the time of the job interview. When you go for the job interview, at that time you have to keep it yourself, your cover letter. What does it take itself? In this cover letter, we just tell about ourselves in a very brief manner, and we write down, yeah, we write the things which we did not mention in the your resume or CV. The cover letter, it helps to understand your interviewer about yourself, regarding that is related to that, what was your experience, how did you perform that, what was your achievement, and why are you just good for this job. Clear? So this is the cover letter which you have to just carry yourself with yourself at the time of the interviews. So now come to the point here, that say exactly cover letter in a brief. I just wrote here what to introduce about yourself in a brief manner and tells about that things which shows your ability. Matlab, here that is, what does it mean? That is, it cover letter, this cover letter shows your abilities. Here you mention all your abilities which is related to that profile. So one thing I want to just make you sure, that is here exactly what will you mention in cover letter regarding that your qualities. Guys, whenever you go for interviews for any profile, so you have to pay attention whatever the quality you will mention in your resume, CV or cover letter, that must be matched to that profile. For example, if you are going for that marketing job, so definitely your abilities, your interest, that should not be related like that. I have a good command on Excel, I have good command with the Tally or MS Office, or I have a good command or SAP or GST, because these all quality does not match to the marketing profile. So at that time you will be rejected. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind, whenever you go for the job interview, you have to mention all the skills, all the qualities which must be related to that profile. If you're going for the marketing job, so definitely your qualities, your skills must be related to that marketing job. Like that, yeah, I have a good communication skill, I'm a friendly in nature, I like to just roam here and there, and I have a convincing power, have a good communication, that is multitasker personality. These all qualities match to this marketing profile. Okay, so this kinds of things, this qualities you just mention in your this cover letter. And what do you mention also, that is, and what is the important of this cover letter? This cover letter shows the professionalism. It makes you differ to others, because most of the people in right now, in the most of the people, what do they do whenever they go for the either the experience or the freshers? Whenever they go for the interview, they do not carry their cover letter. And suppose that if you are having your cover letter and the other person who does not have his cover letter, so at that time interviewer will easily judge who is professional and who is non-professional. So you are requested to please, whenever you go for job interview, always carry yourself your cover letter also with yourself. Is it clear? Now come to the point here, that is matter. What should we written in the cover letter? Here I just mentioned some important topic, important things which is very important you have to mention. First of that, why are you suitable for that job? Okay, you have to mention, that is, why are you suitable for this job, means you have to mention all those qualities which are necessary for this profile, you have to mention, and then tell them why are you suitable with this job. You have to justify all your qualities with that profile. By this way, your interviewer will make sure yes, you are suitable for the job. Clear? Next will be that how did you come to know about that vacancy? By which resources you came to know about that vacancy? Either by the newspaper, by the website, by friends, by any sources. So by which sources you came to know about that vacancy, you should tell about that. Okay. Now, how are you differ to others? You have to also mention, because for that job profile, for that interview, only you will not be, you will not go there. There will be lots of people. So how will you represent yourself to others? So for that, you have to just mention your all qualities, mention your achievements, mention your abilities in a very good manner, and it will be taken by the both person, either the fresher or the experience. Suppose that if you have you are a fresher, you don't have work experience, so at that time you will mention your any work project work, means how did you perform there, your achievements, what did you achieve till now. And then you have to mention the, suppose that if you have a work experience, so at that time you have to mention your last job profile. What did you do there? What were your job responsibilities over there? How did you do that? What was your achievements over there? Okay, so you have to mention these kinds of things, and you can make your differ to others. Now, your achievements and the skills, definitely you have to also show your achievements, whatever you got till now. You have to mention over there your skills, and these all also gives a good impact on interviewer. Now, make them sure that you will be fruitful for them, means you have to mention that things also which make them suitable, that yes, after joining you will be fruitful for that company. Means whenever you join your their company, definitely you will utilize your all skills and knowledge for the growth of that company, and you will give good result, you will be fruitful for that company. So guys, it is very important that whenever you just write your cover letter, you have to just be serious, be conscious about that. What are you just going to just write down over there? Because this cover letter is just like a mirror of yours. It shows that which kind of personality you are, what's your achievements, are you able for this job or not. So be aware about that. I am requesting you that on the basis of this format, this key points, you just make your own cover letter, send me there. Okay, I will mention my email ID in description box. You can send me, just try to make your own self, send me, and if can possible, if there any kinds of editing, I will just make you suggestion. And if you want that, I have lots of the cover letter format, so you can get from the internet. Otherwise, I can also provide you that. If you want that, I can give you that by the mail also. Okay guys, I hope so you understood about that, means what is the importance of this cover letter and why do we write that. So guys, please just write down these all key points which should be mentioned in your cover letter. I hope so you understood over there. If you have any queries, if you have any problem, you can just write down in a comment box. Thanks for appreciating me and giving a precious time. Wish you all the best and wish you good luck.